father Stan Swamy has been sent to judicial custody till October 23rd. The 83-year-old priest, remember, was arrested by the National Investigation Agency in connection with a probe into the 2018 violence in Maharashtra's Bhima Koregaon village. Father Stan Swamy, an activist working with tribals, was picked up from his home in Jharkhand's capital of Ranchi by a team of NIA officials from Delhi. The officials reportedly spent around 20 minutes at his home before taking him away. This is an arrest that has sparked a lot of outrage. Author and historian Ramchandra Guha has said that Stan Swamy has spent a lifetime fighting for the rights of Adivasis. There are now protests who are, of course, opposing the arrest of Stan Swamy. Here's what John Ray had to say at one of those protests.
Father Stan Swamy's arrest, which is a very arbitrary and ruthless arrest of a 84-year-old person who is not in good health, and I think it is actually a demonstration of ruthlessness aimed at showing that the government is capable at anything to suppress dissent and to harass people who stand up for justice. So we are opposing not only the arrest of Father Stan, but also the law, in particular the UAPA, which has been used to arrest him and could be used any day to harass any citizen who stands up for justice and opposes the government.
Well, Father Stan Swamy spoke on the 6th of October before his arrest, and he said that he's been questioned, named as a suspect, but has categorically denied the allegations against him.
कभी भीमा कोरेगांव गया भी नहीं, लेकिन उसमें एक संदिग्ध के रूप में डाला गया। उसके तहत मुझे 2 बार रेड किया गया। अभी पहले पुणे पुलिस कर रही थी, अभी NIA कर रहा है, और NIA तो 15 घंटा मुझे पूछताछ किया, और उसके मेरे सामने ऐसे कुछ एक्सट्रैक्ट को रखने लगा जो माओवादियों के बीच में कुछ कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा था। मुझे किसी प्रकार का संबंध नहीं था उसमें, लेकिन वो सब मेरे सामने रखा गया। ही बोल के ये सब मेरे कंप्यूटर में पाया गया। इस सब को मैं इनकार करके आया हूँ।
Well, while there are protests against the arrest, and Stan Swamy himself earlier speaking has denied the allegations against him, let's just break it down for you. Here is what the NIA has had to say on this particular arrest. They say that Stan Swamy is a member of the CPI Maoists. He received funds for the furtherance of CPI Maoist activities. Stan Swamy is a convener of the frontal organization of the CPI Maoists. There are documents, propaganda material that has been seized from his possession, and he has also been found to be in contact with some conspirators. My colleague Neeta Sharma, who has been tracking the details of these stories, now joining us with the very latest. Neeta, Father Stan Swamy has been sent into judicial custody till the 23rd of October. What are you picking up from the NIA at the moment?
Rishika, Father Stan Swamy is the 16th arrest in the case as far as NIA is concerned. However, NIA has only named 8 people in the charge sheet which they presented in Mumbai court, NIA special court, today afternoon. In fact, the people who have been named in the charge sheet include Anand Telmunde, Gautam Navlakha, Hani Babu, Sagar Gorkhe, Ramesh Ghaichor, Jyoti Jagtap, then Mr. Swamy and Milind Telmunde. So these 8 people have been named. As far as NIA is concerned, NIA claims they have filed a 10,000 page charge sheet running into more than 10,000 pages, which states that investigation reveals that all accused of providing funding, leadership and intellectual support to Maoists in urban pockets. That's the allegation of NIA. They have booked all these 8 people again in serious charges. Serious charges have been leveled against them, which includes waging war against India and also criminal conspiracy. So these were the charges which have been named in the charge sheet. NIA says, however, other people, whom Stan Swamy knew, some of them had also appealed in
Yes.
Supreme Court to get some reprieve. However, even Supreme Court had refused to give any kind of relaxation to them, even on medical grounds. But NIA claims that they have got proper evidences against them also, and soon they would be charging them also in a supplementary charge sheet.